Hello and welcome. We invite you to join us on an expedition, a journey not across continents, but through the layers of history, science, and culture that surround one of the planet's most familiar, yet profoundly misunderstood, animals. Today, we embark on a quest to truly see an animal that has walked alongside humanity for millennia. Its story is inextricably woven into our own, a sprawling narrative of survival, adaptation, and codependence that began over 10,000 years ago. We are setting out to understand a truly remarkable creature, the pig. From its ancient ancestor, the formidable Eurasian wild boar that roamed the primordial forests, to the countless domestic breeds found across the globe today, its influence is as widespread as it is underestimated. It has shared its history with ours for thousands of years, a silent witness to the rise and fall of empires. Its likeness is etched into the artifacts of the earliest agricultural societies, a clear marker of our transition from nomadic hunters to settled farmers. This was not a simple conquest, but a complex, symbiotic dance of domestication that unfolded independently in different parts of the world, forever altering the trajectory of both our species. Today, it is found in nearly every corner of our planet. This animal's story is one of incredible geographic and ecological success. Carried on ships by Polynesian navigators, marched across continents with Roman legions, and integrated into the fabric of countless cultures, the pig has proven its ability to thrive almost anywhere. We find its wild relatives in dense forests, its feral descendants on remote islands, and its domestic cousins in pastoral family homesteads and vast, technologically advanced modern farms. Yes, we are talking about the pig, an animal whose name can evoke a spectrum of images, from the charming characters of children's literature to the centerpiece of a holiday feast. But these simple caricatures obscure a far more complex and fascinating reality. For billions of people, the pig is seen primarily as a source of food. It is the most widely consumed meat on the planet, a cornerstone of global agriculture and culinary traditions from East Asia to the Americas. Its role in sustaining human populations is undeniable, a pillar of food security for centuries. But to confine our understanding to the dinner plate is to miss the most compelling parts of its story. That perspective barely scratches the surface of an animal that is challenging our definitions of intelligence, revolutionizing medical science, and forcing us to confront difficult questions about our relationship with the natural world. They are profoundly intelligent. Scientific studies have revealed cognitive abilities that rival those of many primates. They can solve complex problems, learn symbolic languages, demonstrate long-term memory, and even exhibit empathy. They form intricate social hierarchies, communicate with a wide array of vocalizations, and display a capacity for play and curiosity that speaks to a rich inner world. They are supremely adaptable. This is the secret to their global success. Whether in the wild or under human care, pigs possess a remarkable physiological and behavioral toolkit that allows them to thrive in an astonishing range of climates, from the tropics to the subarctic. Their omnivorous diet and powerful rooting behavior allow them to find sustenance almost anywhere. And they possess a fascinating biology that is, in some ways, startlingly similar to our own. This biological kinship has placed them at the forefront of biomedical research, where they serve as invaluable models for studying human diseases and developing new treatments. From organ transplantation to genetic engineering, the pig is on the cutting edge of science, offering hope for solving some of medicine's most daunting challenges. In this documentary, we will journey through these diverse worlds. We will explore the pig's evolutionary origins, delve into its complex mind, and examine its crucial role in agriculture, science, and culture. We will ask what we can learn, not just about the pig, but about ourselves, by looking more closely at this truly remarkable animal. To truly understand the pig, we must look beyond simple observation. We need to use the powerful tools of science. We will turn to scientific studies that reveal their surprising intelligence and their complex social lives. We will consult historical archives as a window into our shared past, showing how our relationship with pigs has changed over centuries. Records document domestication and the spread of pigs across the globe. We now arrive at one of the pig's most defining traits, a characteristic so profound it has shaped the geography and ecology of our planet: its incredible adaptability. This is not merely about endurance. It is a story of active, opportunistic conquest. This is the quality that has allowed the species to become a true global survivor, second only to humans in its worldwide distribution among large mammals. The story of the pig is inextricably linked with our own story of expansion and colonization. As humans ventured across oceans, pigs were their living larders, a reliable source of protein on unpredictable journeys. From the ships of Polynesian navigators to the caravels of European explorers, these animals were deliberately introduced to new lands. Once ashore, their biological toolkit took over. Their journey is one across continents and through vastly different climates, a testament to their physiological flexibility. From the cold, dense forests of their native Eurasia, where they evolved to withstand harsh winters, they have established footholds in nearly every habitat imaginable. They thrive in the temperate woodlands of Europe, the sweltering wetlands of the Americas, and the sun-baked islands of the Pacific. This success is not a matter of luck. It is the result of a remarkable biological toolkit. Their sparse hair and inability to sweat makes them vulnerable to heat, yet they overcome this by seeking shade and creating muddy wallows, a classic example of behavioral thermoregulation. Their omnivorous, unfussy diet allows them to exploit any available food source, from roots and tubers to insects, carrion, and even small vertebrates. Furthermore, their reproductive strategy is geared for rapid population growth. Sows can produce large litters multiple times a year, allowing their numbers to explode in favorable conditions. In just a few generations, escaped domestic pigs can revert to a feral state, regrowing dense coats and formidable tusks, becoming physically indistinguishable from their wild boar ancestors. In these new environments, pigs have found a way to not just survive, but to thrive, often with complex and devastating consequences for native ecosystems. Section 1. The Blueprint of a Survivor, the Skeleton. We now move into our second act, where we will explore the remarkable physical characteristics of the pig. The body of a pig is a masterpiece of functional design, shaped by millions of years of evolution. Every bone muscle organ is tailored for a life of foraging, survival, resilience. We now arrive at our third and final act. We shift focus from the pig to the equipment that surrounds it. Our long relationship with pigs spurred the invention of many tools and technologies. These implements are designed to manage care for study control these intelligent animals. Section 12. A summary of a remarkable animal and a look toward the future. Our journey to understand the pig has been a sweeping exploration, a narrative woven through millennia of shared history. We began in the dense, primordial undergrowth of ancient Eurasian forests, the ancestral home of the wild boar. From these wild origins, we trace the threads of domestication, a process that unfolded independently in different corners of the world, forever linking the destiny of pigs with our own. We have seen how this creature, through its incredible adaptability, accompanied humanity on its great migrations, becoming a living, breathing multi-tool, a source of food, a tiller of soil, and a companion in exploration. We delved into the pig's remarkable biology, marveling at the elegant engineering of its snout, a powerful tool for excavation and a sophisticated sensory organ all in one. We uncovered the surprising depth of their intelligence, witnessing problem-solving abilities that rival those of primates and a capacity for social complexity and emotional depth that challenges our long-held assumptions. The science is clear. The pig is not a simple beast of the field, but a sentient, cognitive being, aware of its world in ways we are only just beginning to appreciate. From their intricate vocalizations to their complex social hierarchies, they demonstrate a life of the mind that demands our attention and respect. We've charted their global conquest, a testament to their physiological resilience, and examined their profound impact on agriculture, from the pastoral systems of antiquity to the vast, technologically advanced farms of the 21st century. This journey has also taken us into the laboratory, revealing the pig's unexpected role as a crucial model in biomedical research, offering insights into human diseases and pioneering new frontiers in medicine, such as xenotransplantation. This intimate connection from farm to lab underscores the multifaceted and often contradictory relationship we have with this animal. But as we stand at this juncture, looking toward the future, we must acknowledge that this long and complex relationship is fraught with challenges. The very qualities that have made the pig so successful, its adaptability and fecundity, also make its populations vulnerable to the rapid spread of devastating diseases. Pathogens like African swine fever and porcine reproductive and respiratory syndrome represent a constant, looming threat to global food security and economic stability. A single outbreak can decimate herds, shutter farms, and send shock waves through international markets, highlighting the fragility of our intensely interconnected agricultural systems. Managing this threat requires unprecedented levels of biosecurity, international cooperation, and scientific innovation in diagnostics and vaccine development. Beyond disease, the environmental footprint of modern pig farming presents a profound ethical and ecological dilemma. The industrial scale required to meet global demand for pork consumes vast resources of land, water, and feed. The concentration of animals generates significant waste, which, if not managed properly, can pollute air and water, contributing to nutrient runoff and the formation of aquatic dead zones. Furthermore, the entire livestock sector is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. From the methane produced by the animals themselves to the carbon dioxide released through deforestation for feed crops and the energy used in farm operations. Squaring the circle of feeding a growing global population while protecting the health of our planet is one of the most urgent challenges of our time. Yet, where there are challenges, there is also innovation. The future of pig farming is being written today in the language of data and technology. Precision livestock farming is transforming the industry, employing a suite of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to monitor animals on an individual basis, even within massive herds. These systems can track feed intake, activity levels, and subtle behavioral cues to detect the earliest signs of illness, optimize nutrition, and improve overall welfare. Genetic science is also playing a pivotal role. Through advanced breeding techniques and gene editing technologies like CRISPR, researchers are working to develop pigs that are more resistant to disease, more efficient at converting feed, and better adapted to changing climates, all while navigating complex ethical considerations. The future also holds a growing societal demand for higher standards of animal welfare. As our scientific understanding of pig cognition and sentience deepens, so too does our ethical responsibility. Consumers, advocates, and even producers are increasingly driving a shift away from the stark confinement systems of the past toward environments that allow pigs to express their natural behaviors, to root, to socialize, and to play. This movement is not just about ethics, it is also about sustainability. A growing body of evidence suggests that animals raised in lower stress, higher welfare environments are often healthier and more resilient. The future will likely involve a mosaic of production systems, from high-tech indoor farms to regenerative models that integrate pigs back into the landscape, using their natural rooting behaviors to improve soil health. So, we are left with a creature of profound importance and fascinating complexity. From the power of the snout To the intelligence behind the eyes, the pig is a creature worthy of our respect and our continued curiosity. It is a mirror reflecting our own history, our ingenuity, our appetites, and our evolving moral landscape. The story of the pig is far from over. How we choose to write its next chapter, how we balance the demands of sustenance with the duties of stewardship, and how we apply our scientific knowledge with wisdom and compassion will say as much about us as it does about them. Science has illuminated the remarkable world of the pig, revealing the complexity and beauty hidden in plain sight. The task now is to act on that knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this exploration into the science behind the snout. We encourage you to continue asking questions, to look closer at the world around you, and to remain curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more journeys into the wonders of the natural world.